Hello, so today we are going to do this problem binary tree Inorder Traversal, which is part of this week's daily challenge, Leetcode daily challenge. So we have a root of a binary tree and we want to return the Inorder Traversal. And the Inorder Traversal is just means the order from left to right. So you have left first and then the root node or the parent, let's call it, and then after that we process the right node. And so if you take a look at the first example here, the left side, we go all the way to the left. So the left side for 1, it's empty, so we don't need to do anything. And then we do 1, and then we want to traverse the right side. And for the right side subtree, we start also with the left side. So we have 3, so that's why we have 1, 3. And then we do the parent, 2. And there is no right child, so that's it for that tree. Yeah, so and if there is just one node, we just return that node. Yeah, so that's pretty much it for this problem. We can solve it with DFS. We just need to traverse the left first and then the root and then after that the right and collect everything into a list. So pretty straightforward. So what we need to do is first define our DFS function. It takes a node. And our base case needs to be if not node, we want to return empty list. And then we want to DFS first. Inorder traversal means left and then the node itself and then the right side. Okay, so the left's first. Since it's a list, we need to concatenate, so we add, and then we add to the list the node. So left and then the node itself, we want the value, and then the right side. DFS on the right side. Okay, and we written empty list here so that the concatenation ends up working. So let's say if the right side is an empty node, we will add an empty list here, which would make the addition work. If we return something like none or 0, that won't work because you can't concatenate it with a list, right? So that's why we start with the empty list, and we can just return this. And then we call our function with DFS on the root, and we return that. So pretty straightforward. Let's run it. And we can submit. Yeah, so that's pretty much it for the solution. Let's just, for the sake of like example, say, think, okay, what if it was pre-order traversal? So pre-order means right, left, node first, and then left, right. Well, in that case, we can just put node value here instead, right, and do +1, plus. What if it was post-order traversal, which means left, right, and node? Well, similar thing, we could just move this here as well, right? So yeah, you can solve all kind of traversals with DFS like this. Yeah, so that's pretty much it for today's problem. Yeah, please like and subscribe and see you on the next one. Bye.